welcome back, and we're on the last lesson, which is about operators. If you've hung in there and watched all the videos up till now, thank you. If you liked this video, please subscribe or like it. I really appreciate it. So anyway, let's go ahead and talk about the last section, which are operators. So operators in Sass allow you to do some math, which is pretty helpful. One way I use operators is for heading tags. So let's dive right into some code and show you how that's done. Okay, so let's do an example showing how we can use the operators. Let me see what we'll do. Let's create a partial called headings. In this partial, we will create a property called heading size, and we'll give it 10 pixels. Then we'll create a h1 font size of a heading size, and here's where we use the operator. We'll do plus 10, I guess. Go ahead and make a copy of this. We'll do H2. We'll make it a little smaller. So how about 6? And H3. We'll do 2. Go ahead and save that. Successfully compiled. Let's take a look at that. And then now we'll make a change here and see the change. So actually we forgot to include it into the main Sass file. So let's do that right now. I'm sorry, not include, I meant import headings. That should do it. Kind of bummed the Atom CSS compiler. Well, I guess it compiled. It didn't know it was missing, so no, it's fine. So there's the changes we made. Let's add a subheading here, an H2. We don't have that anywhere on the page. So we got a subheader. Check out the size of that. Go back to headings and change this to say 30. And it's not working. Very interesting. There seems to be a bug right here. We're running into some technical difficulties with the Atom CSS plugin package, I mean. And so let's see. What I did before was, I guess there was an error, so I had to go back and click on each of these Sass files, go to package, Atom Sass, and compile again so it would watch. So now let's see if that resolved the issue. So I had the heading size at 30 pixels. I hit save. It should give me, there you go, successfully compiled. Refresh. But I don't see this change. Let's try to debug this together. This is probably a good example. So let's look at heading.css. It should say, yeah, 50, 42, 35. So that's good. So now we'll go ahead and look at task.css. Headings is being imported in there. Let's make sure that compiles. I'll hit refresh. Oh, there you go. So see, it's a weird issue with the Atom Sass. So anyway, so here's our heading tags. Now we should be able to go in and change them. Let's change this to 20. Everything should shrink. Oh, odd. So let's go back here. Do the auto Sass compile, reload. Check this out real quick. That get the heading size and change it up. Let's add some spaces, make it compile again. There it is. Strange issue. I mean, you can see that changing the value in the heading file with the operators does work. It's just another strange bug we're running into. So in the future, I'll try to use a different IDE, some different tools, more reliable tools. And if you like this video, thank you for watching it once again. Please like it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll have more tutorials up for you soon. Thanks. Bye.